The Amazing Grizzly by Jacob. Introduction. Grizzly bears, a species of bear that gets their name from the grizzled gold color on the tips of their fur. Today we are going to learn more about this species of bear, what grizzly bears eat, how they defend themselves, and where they can appear. A grizzly bear's menu. Let's start off by talking about this bear's menu. Did you know that grizzly bears eat a lot? Grizzlies eat rodents, flowering roots, and obviously garbage. They eat and catch fish too, though. Grizzlies catch fish by standing still. The fish think the bear is a pillar, and then the bear reaches for fish and then munches on his yummy meal. Grizzlies eat a lot and are pretty smart sometimes. Grizzly bears are omnivores. They eat plants and animals and find their food with their excellent sense of smell. They like to eat berries, plant bulbs, cutworm moths, and white bark pine nuts. They will also eat mountain sheep and goats, deer, moose, and elk. Yummy fact, bears may eat up to 40 kilograms in one day. The bear species. A bear species can go extinct very fast. Let's talk about it next, shall we? Several bear species have been extinct, like the steppe brown bear, Mexican brown bear, Atlas bear, and Bergman's bear. The species that are still alive today are the polar bear, brown bear, grizzly bear, black bear, sun bear, and sloth bear. These bears have been lucky enough to survive us. Yeah, the bear population has been dropping mostly because of humans hunting bears for food or clothing just to show off. The bear population has also been dropping because of environmental changes, and then bears will not have a home and then die because of sickness from rain or no cover from humans. Bears fight back. Hey, did you know bears are known for their self-defense skills? Let's talk about it. For example, a bear will fluff up its fur to look bigger and stand on its hind legs so its enemy will be afraid. A bear kills its predators or prey by biting it in the neck, back, or strike of the forepaw. Bears also growl, moan, and grunt, especially when females communicate with their young. These bears have been lucky enough to survive us. Yeah, the bear population has been dropping mostly because of humans hunting bears for food or clothing, or just to show off. The bear population has also been dropping off because of environmental changes, and then bears will not have a home and then die because of sickness from rain or no cover from humans. Not so fun fact. Black bears attack on sight, but depending on the situation, grizzlies will too. Skeletal grizzly. I just learned some things about the grizzly skeleton. Let's explore this bear's skeleton. The grizzly bear's skeleton consists of many parts, like the mandible, scapula, humerus, ilium, vertebrae, radius, metacarpals, and other skeletal bear parts. The bear scapula is very big. It is about the size of the bear's skull. Did you know that grizzlies have a small tailbone? A grizzly bear's tailbone is the size of 2 human ring fingers. This bear also has claw bones, which are very little bones at the paw. Interesting fact. The grizzly bear has 206 bones that the skeleton is made up of. Bear states. Did you know grizzlies make appearances in many states and continents? Well, they can. They appear in Alaska, Wyoming, Montana, Idaho, Washington, and possibly southern Colorado. The grizzly also may look different depending on where it comes from. The continents the grizzly can be found on are Asia, Europe, North America, North Africa, and Middle East Africa. Sad fact, some bears stop playing together after 1.5 years old. Some may never play again.